I'll rush through these slides. This is physical and chemical examination of urine. The average volume of urine is 1000 to 1500 up to 2000 ml per day. When the urine volume is less than 500, it is known as oliguria, and is more than 2000, it is known as polyuria. More than polyuria is seen in diabetes, polydips, diabetes insipidus, diabetes mellitus. Anuria means almost less than 100 ml per day. Under normal circumstances, urine excretion is less at night than daytime. The amount of daytime is and nocturnal excretion equals the amount that later is higher. We talk about the necturia. Heart insufficiency and chronic disease, you can see this necturia. We'll look at the color, clarity and order of urine in physical characteristics. So color, normal urine color ranges from pale yellow to deep amber color, depends upon the concentration of various pigments. The color of urine can be influenced by pH also. Acidic urine is usually darker in color. So this is the suggested colors: pale yellow, light yellow and yellow, which are usually normal. Green, red yellow, red brown, brown, black, milky, etc. are abnormal. So urine color, example, light yellow, yellow, amber, this is normal, red and brown are abnormal. These are the other conditions where we will get different colors for urine. Black in alkaptonuria, porphyrin for porphyrin methemoglobin and hemoglobin lysopoisoning. Red brown for hemoglobinuria, blood myoglobinuria and porphyrin. So red for eating beads, laxative, other drug injection, etc. Orange for concentrated urine, small amount of bile and other some drugs. Yellow brown for bilirubin, sulfonamides and nitrofurantoin. Yellow green for bilirubin and pseudomonas. Green blue for methylene blue and amitriptyline. Smoky for blood containing urine. This is for your guidance. Urine clarity, you have to keep usually term used are clear, slightly cloudy or turbid. Normal urine is clean or slightly cloudy. This is the way. The urine cloudiness can be due to mucus, sperm or prostate fluid, cells from the skin, normal urine, crystals and contaminants also. So this is the way you measure it. You keep a printed paper on back. If you can read that is clear, then slight cloudy and turbid. So the color and clarity can help you to understand the substance that may be present in urine. Then suspected substance may be detected by chemical or the microscopic examination. Urine order, these are the different orders and related to conditions. Maple syrup order is in maple syrup disease. Then river is sweet feet. Musty and mousy order in phenylketonuria. Sweet in ketosis. So these are the conditions. Chemical examination, we use reagents dipstick test for testing. Should be performed within 1 hour of collection. Allow refrigerated specimen to run to room temperature before you dip the strip in fresh room and wait for appropriate time. Usually it is 30 seconds to 1 minute. Then you verify the color against the pattern given in the bottle or the test strip. These are the color codes. There are multiple impregnated tests together in single reagent strip. Usually there are 10 parameters like leukocytes or WBCs, nitrates for bacteria, urobilinogen, protein, pH, blood, specific gravity, ketones, bilirubin and glucose. Glucose is by the principle of glucose oxidase peroxidase and can have from the negative light green to the dark brown highly positive 2 plus. Copper sulfate test is another test for glucose or sugar in urine. It can be detected. Galactose, fructose, lactose, pentose and maltose can be detected in these conditions corresponding to the individual diseases. So if you use a Benedict's test, then that will be measuring all these sugars, but when you use a glucose strip, it will be only measuring the glucose. Principle of Benedict test are the ketone or aldehyde group will in the sugar will combine with the cupric ions to form a cuprous oxide brick red precipitate. Bilirubin, again it will be the diazo salt that is reacting, giving from negative to strong positive. Ketone bodies, so seen in diabetic ketoacidosis and prolonged fasting, it will be a nitroprusside reaction that will creating the colored complex from negative to the dark pink color. Another test for ketone body is the Rothras test, modified Rothras mixture, where you use same sodium nitroprusside, which will give a pink ring on top. Specific gravity can be measured from 1.00 to 1.030. We are using a polymethyl vinyl ether malic anhydride reaction that from dark blue to yellow color we can obtain. Specific gravity can be also measured using the urinometer, and when the specific gravity is very less, that shows it's very dilute, and specific gravity is very high, that shows very concentrated urine. Blood from trace to strong positive can be detected using the diisopropyl benzene dihydroperoxide tetramethyl benzidine reagent that will react with the heme to produce the color. pH can be detected from 5 to 8.5 using the pH error of hydrogen ion interaction with the methyl red. Diet has an influence in pH. Protein-rich diets shift the pH into the acidic range. Vegetables will towards the basic. Protein, based on the protein error of indicator, from negative to highly positive, from yellow to dark blue color we can. Limitation of protein, more sensitive to albumin than other proteins. Other test that is used for protein test is stability test by sulfur salicylic acid, urine protein by electrophoresis, Benson's protein, etc. Causes of proteinuria can be either functional, renal or pre-renal or post-renal. It can be primary or secondary in nature. The normal protein urine, 40% is from the albumin and 40% is Tom Oswald protein. Immunoglobulin constitutes about 12%, secretory IgA 3% and others 5%. Urobilinogen is only increased urobilinogen is seen in prehepatic jaundice, and urobilinogen is not seen in post-hepatic jaundice. Ehrlich reagent using the para-dimethyl aminobenzaldehyde in HCl is the reagent that is used for the urobilinogen detection. It can also be using the strip like from light cream color to dark pink color. Urobilinogen with dimethyl aminobenzaldehyde will form a colored complex. Nitrate is used for the detection of bacteria, that is especially gram-negative bacteria. it can be either negative or positive. Leukocytes can be negative or strong positive based on the derivated pyrrole amino acid ester reaction. These are the values, that is, and you have to read within the specific time that is given against each test. That will help you to categorize the concentration based on the color form. Storing and handling of the strips. Strip has to be in a airtight container. You should not touch the reagent pad area. Protect from moisture and volatile fumes, and so that it should be stored at room temperature. Procedure: you dip the strip into the urine completely, so that all these strip impregnated this thing will be dipped into the urine. Then wipe off on the side. Then keep for the time and wash against the chart. Timing, lighting, QC, etc. are important. There can be many sources of error. Um, Fresh urine is necessary. If it is frozen, it has to be kept at refrigerator, has to be brought to room temperature before testing. And over dipping and long dipping will be giving erroneous results. There are equipment that can be utilized for automating this, so that the times and the reading or reflectometry can be automated. Thank you.